Who doesn't love spinach artichoke dip? No matter how many years go by, it's still the #1 crowd pleaser. It's one of my favorite dips at any party, and it's so easy to make at home. I've got one of our top-rated hot spinach and artichoke dip recipes, and this one does not skimp on flavor at all. I'm starting off with 1 block of cream cheese. I think all good dips start with a block of cream cheese. I'm gonna mix that together with a little bit of mayonnaise. These two together, when combined with other cheeses, just makes for the most creamy, rich perfection. To that, I'm adding grated Parmesan and Romano cheeses. If you don't have both varieties, one of them is just fine. To that, I'm adding in some freshly minced garlic, a little bit of garlic salt, some dried basil. It's important that your cream cheese is softened to start with. This dip might be old school, but it doesn't matter. It's still a favorite no matter what you take it to. We're getting into the season of holiday parties. This is also great for football parties and tailgates. Heck, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it's my dinner. Sprinkle in a little salt and pepper. You wanna get that mixed together before you add in your spinach and artichokes. But all in all, this dip comes together in like less than 5 minutes. I'm using chopped frozen spinach that has been thawed and drained. You wanna squeeze out as much of the moisture as you can so your dip doesn't get runny. You can totally use fresh spinach here. You'll just want to cook it down and then squeeze out the moisture. And then in with 1 can of artichoke hearts that have been drained and chopped. Another great thing to add to this dip is hearts of palm. If you've never tried that, it's just a fun twist on this classic. This step can totally be done up to a few days in advance. And then into the baking dish it goes. I'm gonna kind of give it a little spray. So easy, so indulgent. For a finishing touch, topping it with some more cheese. A little mozzarella going on top. This recipe pulls out all the stops. It's also great for you to be able to customize yourself. Like I said, if you don't have all the same cheeses, that's fine. It's all about the concept. Simple as that. I'm baking this at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes or until it's just good, gooey, and bubbly. It's a party. This homemade version of spinach artichoke dip is better than anything you can buy from a store. My favorite thing to serve it with is something like super hearty, like a big toasty pita or crostini. I'm not gonna lie, I could probably eat this whole thing. It's filled with perfect bites. Look at that. There's not much more I can say. It's hard to top perfection. If you've never made your own spinach artichoke dip, this is the recipe to try, and when you do, don't forget to tag me. It's just good. Well, anything else? It's hard to beat perfection. All right, we're done.